The battle over late businessman Sanjay Kapoor's 30,000 crore rupees estate has taken another dramatic twist, and this time, it involves Karishma Kapoor, her children, and shocking claims about citizenship. Documents submitted in court reveal that before his passing, Sanjay was helping Karishma Kapoor and their children, Samaira and Kian, renounce their Indian citizenship and apply for Portuguese citizenship. One of the WhatsApp chats between Sanjay and Karishma, cited in court, shows him explaining the process. He wrote, "India does not permit dual citizenship," indicating that Karishma would have to give up her Indian passport to get a Portuguese one. But Karishma's lawyer, Mahesh Jethmalani, says otherwise. In a recent interview, he clarified that Karishma never agreed to the plan. She was told that she would have to give up Indian citizenship if she took up Portuguese citizenship, and she refused, said Jethmalani. He added that Sanjay's move raised serious doubts about the validity of his will. Jethmalani further explained, "That's one of the suspicious circumstances because there is clear evidence that at the end of May this year, which is supposed to be 2 months after the will was actually executed, he was trying to get a Portuguese citizenship, certainly for his children, and possibly for Karishma Kapoor. All 3 of his kids, 1 from Mrs. Priya Kapoor and 2 from Karishma Kapoor, would be saved from inheritance tax because Portugal doesn't have an inheritance tax regime." He questioned why, if Sanjay was planning for his children's future overseas in May, he had already signed a will in March 2025, giving all his overseas properties to his third wife, Priya Sachdev, and nothing to his children. The case has now reached the Delhi High Court. Samaira and Kian have filed a plea, claiming their father repeatedly assured them they would receive their share, but the final will left them out entirely. They've accused their stepmother, Priya, of forging the will to cut them off from the inheritance. Karishma Kapoor isn't a plaintiff herself, but she's standing by her children as the high-stakes estate battle continues.